Hi, I'm Pete Bachak, founder and director of Osmosis Gardens. From the shopping experience through to purchase, taking delivery, to then being contacted by the collaboration team, it's just been fantastic. And really, it's everything that I look for in a collaboration. Well, we were after a small set for our balcony. We'd just moved house, and just my feed was just a constant roll of furniture that was okay, and Remarkable came up and I just liked it straight away. It ticked all the boxes, starting with form, loved the material, the colour range, and then the price was right in the sweet spot. Then I was invited to become a trade customer, but that process has been fantastic as well. I'm encouraged by the future of collaborating with Remarkable.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more tips to transform your outdoor space. And don't stop there. Check out our suggested videos for more inspiration.